hosting a coupon code, hosting a discount code, and hosting a promo code, whatever you guys want to call it. I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can get the best coupon code for Hostinger. And all you have to do is just go through the link down below in the video description and use the coupon code imminent, and that will save you a most amount of money and give you the best coupon code possible. So I'm going to quickly show you how you can get access to this special deal right off the bat. So right off the bat, if you just go through the link down below, you're going to get 75% off hosting plus a website builder and a free domain, free website migration, and 24/7 custom support for this price point right here. And you'll get 2 months for free as well. So that's the first step. Just go through the link down below, provided in the video description, or in the pinned comment section down below, and you'll come to a web page that looks something like this. So that's going to be the first and most important step. You'll click on claim deal. You'll choose your plan. So let's just go ahead and choose this premium plan, for example. Doesn't really matter. I'm just going to be showing you an example of how it all works. And then also the other most important step to make sure you save the most amount of money is to go over here and click on have a coupon code, and you want to copy and paste the coupon code or just manually type it in, which is going to be the coupon code imminent. You'll click on apply, and as you can see, the coupon code is going to be applied and you save even more money. So again, one of the most important steps, apart from clicking the top link down below, is to make sure that you apply the coupon code imminent. So IMMINENT. As you can see, when you apply the coupon code, you'll save even more money. And as you can see, you're saving up to $446.35 at the time of recording this video. Now, obviously, this is because I am paying more in advance, paying in advance for 48 months. And that's how you save the most amount of money. But the coupon code is going to help you save even more money, as you just see me, demonstrate live in today's hosting a coupon code video for you. So if we get rid of the coupon code, the price is going to be, let's memorize this price. So if we just get rid of the coupon code, the price is going to be $143 and 52 cents. But if we apply the coupon code imminent, it's going to be even cheaper. So now it's $129.17. So you save even more money with the coupon code imminent. So I wanted to make a quick video showing you how you can save a bunch of money with Hostinger. Again, all you have to do is just go through the link down below, choose your plan, and when you go to the card page, make sure to apply the coupon code imminent, and you will save a bunch of money right off the bat. And that's it for me. Thanks for watching today's hosting a promo code, hosting a discount code video, and I hope you enjoy this hosting a coupon code guide and save a bunch of money. Thanks for watching.